No! Fine, I guess. Oh my god. I beat down bass! Oh my gosh. Good thing it was like right after getting 77.
I beat Athanatos down low.
Oh, dang. 3 attempts after dying at the last stand, by the way.
I thought I heard you died in the last wave.
Alright, wait.
Twice row. You did 3 attempts after 70. Alright, bang. You beat down bass.
Get with me, there's some things you gotta know. I like my beats fast and my bass down low. Wait, I'm getting to the wave? This is a rare attempt. Okay, normal death.
Good job.
Let's go, 3
down
coins. Oh, what's the money menu?
I hear it already. This is genius.
Let's put it.
How many times?
Okay, let's see. Down bass. Nice.
Summertime sadness.
Where's the CE button? Oh, what? The clear button. Oh, stupid. Oh my god. 2, 3, 8. Plus. Wait, did I do more or less? 2, 6, 8, 9. 4, 9, 9, 7. No.
4.3. Hey, let's go, bro. Bang, down bass.
Bang, down bass. Let's go. Let me down
Next
bass.
P Harris.
Let me yes.
Hey, let's go, bro. Easy.
Easy.
Only 3 less than 5 grand attempts. Yeah, you lucky cooked that.
I did. That was pretty quick.
I wish I could talk to